Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how I can use the Wed2C. So first thing that you do is you just have to download the application. So open your App Store or your Play Store. And then you just have to search for Wed2C and then tap on the open option. Then after that, you just have to create your account. Okay, so once you're on the website, so you can connect your stores, you can connect platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, TikTok Shop, or Shopee depending on your region. Okay, so here is your account. So let me just tap on the mine option. So right here, you would be able to see here your nickname, your monthly sales. So you have your favorite sections, sharings, marketing tools, and the language section. So if you would like a tutorial from the application, then you also have that right here. So tap on the tutorial, marketing, and the FAQ. Okay, so right here on your homepage, so once you're here, you would be able to see this post. All right, so now let's go to the product section. So right here, you would be able to see different products on the new section. And then of course, below the products, you have here the details of how much you will earn if you are going to share this product. For example, you want to share the first one, to tap on the share option. Then after that, you would be able to see here now the general information. So your price. So you just have to put here your price so that you'd be able to see your estimated earnings. If you would like to, increase the price, then you just have to tap on it. And for the strike through price, so if you would like to enable this one, so tap on the enable option. Then if you'd like to customize the variant price, you also have the estimated shipping cost right here, and then the free shipping setting, and then the buyer viewed price. After that, you can now add this to your store or share this product. So if you have an online store like Shopify, WooCommerce, TikTok Shop, or Shopee, so tap on the add to store option, and then you have to connect your account. Okay, and when you go to the group by option, let me just tap on this one. Okay, so make sure to connect your account after that. Okay, so when you go to the for you section as well, so you have these products. All right, and then if you would like to change the category, so you have that right here. So we have safety keychains, US warehouse, print on demand clothing, best selling Christmas 2024 new forces, and etc. So here, if you would like to find a specific product, so you can use the search bar at the top right, and then you just have the type right here, the product that you are looking for. Okay, so for example, this product. Okay, so after that, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be able to see that right here. Okay, so for example, this one. So tap on the share option. Okay, so let me just log in once again. All right, so once you've done that, you would be able to see this option right here. Okay, so we have successfully logged in. Let me just close this section. So you just have to continue finding your products. Okay, so again, to import your products to your store, just have to click the import to store option or add to your store, and then edit the title, the variants, the pricing, and the photos. And then you just have to tap on the push to store option. So your product will now appear in your Shopify, WooCommerce, or your TikTok shop. So to manage your orders, once you get your orders, so you just have to go here. And when you go to the your store section, you would be able to see here your products. Okay, and at the top you have the coupons. You have here your discount, and if you would like to go to the price low to high, orders high to low, so you can edit that right here. Okay, so to check your messages, so just tap on the message option and you'll be able to see here now your messages. Okay, so go to the orders option. So you'll be able to see here your orders, and for the Wed2C team, you'll be able to see here the messages as well, and for the support. Now here on the me section, if you want to change your nicknames, you just have to go here, and if you want to upload your photo, so you just have to tap on this one, and then you can take new photos or choose from your gallery or album. Now, if you want to change your names, you just have to tap on this one. And then here you have your first name and your last name. You just have to tap on it, and then you just have to erase the existing name and then create a new one. Okay, now for the email, of course, you have to verify your email. So you have to tap on the send option so that the code will be sent to your email. And then you just have to tap it out right here and tap on the submit option. All right. And then for the third party site link, if you have other link like Facebook or Google, you just have to add that right here. So just tap on the link option that you can find at the right side. Next, for the WhatsApp, so if you have a WhatsApp account, so you just have to add here your WhatsApp number, and then you just have to send the code for the validation. Okay, so next one is we have the chat autoresponder or our automated chat. So when you turn on the chat auto response, so when a buyer initiates a chat and you are not online, so the system will automatically send the following messages. So it is recommended to add your contact info to the autoresponder. So you just have to tap right here your autoresponder content and tap on the save option. And then not forget to turn on the autoresponder. Okay, and then if you would like to change your regions, you just have to tap on this one. And for your date of birth, so make sure that your birthday is correct. And for your career, so we have right here influencers, we have online store owner, retailers, and wholesalers. We also have practitioner of e-commerce, practitioner of internet, so it's up to you. After that, tap on the confirm option. Okay, and then for the product preferences, so if you would like to change your categories, like your friends may like, so here you can see the recommend suitable products for you to share. So if you would like to exclude something or some categories here, so you just have to tap on them and then click on the save option. Okay, so here using the Wed2C comes with several helpful advantages, especially if you're a seller who wants to grow faster and manage your product easily. So using the Wed2C gives you a smooth and hassle-free way to sell online because it allows you to source products directly from the manufacturers without middlemen. So this means that you can offer lower prices, get better profit margins, and still keep your customers happy. So it also offers fast and reliable shipping, which is important so that you won't have any problems to your buyers. So another advantage is that Wed2C handles product quality control, inventory, and sometimes even after sales support, so you don't need to worry about stocking the items. So the platform also provides automated tools for order tracking and product uploading, helping you to save time. Perfect, so that especially if the seller is busy. So lastly, it gives you access to a wide range of trending products, making it easier to keep your shop updated with items that actually sell. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.